2024 Kia Forte. With less than 8,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.